Hi, it's Veronica, and I'm here today to talk about Camille Rose Algae Renew Cocoa and Mango Butter Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, I have to say, this is some great stuff. Now, this is a brand new jar, but this is a product that I have used time and time again. And so this was just a replacement for my previous jar. But it's 8 ounces. It smells wonderful. It's a really light scent, and like I said, it has cocoa and mango butter in it. It also, you can smell a hint of peppermint in it. And if you look on the ingredient list, you can see, some shea butter is in here. It's some good stuff in here. But I like it. I've used it many times. Like I said, I've used it many times on my hair, and for a deep conditioning mask. And as the directions say, that you can put an ample amount on to dry or wet hair, and you leave on for 10 minutes, then do a cool rinse. And I usually do 10 to 15 minutes, no more than that. I like to try and stick to what the directions say. Put a plastic cap on my hair, like one of these types of caps. And if you don't have that, I've used a grocery store bag and knotted it, when I've been in a pinch before. But just to use that, and you can apply heat or not. I have a heating cap that I usually use, but once I rinse it out, my hair, it just feels so wonderful. So you get 8 ounces in this jar, and I highly recommend it as a deep conditioning mask. Forgot to say that it is paraben and phthalate free. So you can rest assured that it doesn't have any parabens or phthalates.